Before I came to Fluid Health and Fitness, I was running on my own. I sought out professional help because while I was running, I was getting minor injuries that were preventing me from putting the distance in that I wanted to. Fluid Health and Fitness was recommended to me by a friend. She knew that I was always looking for better workouts to round out my well-being and keep me active in doing what I like to do. I didn't really face any obstacles getting started. Once I came, I knew that it was something that I liked and that it would be kind of the maintenance to my everyday movements to help me continue doing what I love. I have done physical therapy in the past, and it's not something that I wanted to keep doing on my own, but this helped me integrate their workouts into what I was doing in my everyday life. Of course, I would recommend Fluid Health and Fitness to anybody, whether you're an athlete, whether you're an everyday Joe just trying to wake up with less pain in the morning. I think it's a great atmosphere, a lot of great people to work with, and smart, knowledgeable people that are very in tune with what your body needs.